Okay, so like I said, I've been accumulating things over the last few weeks. So not all of this stuff was in one Dollar Tree, because I love to go to different Dollar Trees because every Dollar Tree has something different. Like, they don't carry the exact same things, so I love to see different ones and check them out. So like I said, these are from different Dollar Trees, not all the same ones. But one of the things that I got were these little LED lights. They're copper wire. Now, they're not my favorite. I have them in the back and you guys cannot even see them, but I am gonna go ahead and give them to my daughter. I'm gonna put them in her room just because I don't like the way they look. I wanted it for my background, but it's not working out for me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pass these on to her so she can use them for her room. And then another thing that I did pick up was this picture frame that I thought it was so cute. I went ahead and put my nephew in here. I love this picture of him looking at me. Absolutely love it, so that is why I got this frame, so I could put him on my desk and look at him every single day. He's such a cutie. And then another thing I got from Dollar Tree were these storage bins. Now, I love Dollar Tree for their storage bins, and I've been using these to store my baby's toys, like organize them and all that stuff. I love to use these. I even use them for my daughter's toys, and now I'm using them for my baby boy's toys because he got toys everywhere. So I love to use these storage bins for that. And I absolutely love it that they're coming out with the bigger ones. So that is the large size. I absolutely love that. And then another find that I saw at Dollar Tree was this satin pillowcase. But not only a satin pillowcase, it says good morning and it has the lashes on it. I cannot believe that I even found this at Dollar Tree. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. I have to pick one up. I want to see the quality of them and see how good they are. But yeah, I cannot wait. I'm actually gonna open it and see how it is. But this is so cute. Like, look how cute this is. Good morning. Oh my god, this is so cute. Like, I cannot wait to put this on my bed. Like, yes, if I fall in love with these, I'm gonna go back to Dollar Tree and get another one because they are so cute. I absolutely love them. And then in my other bag over here, I went ahead and picked up this tray. So I'm going to use this tray for my coffee station. I'm going to put my sugar and my coffee on this little tray here and try to decorate it, make it look very cute because I have a whole coffee section and I absolutely love how it's coming out. It's looking super cute. So I love that. And then another thing I got were some books for the kids. I got this one for my son, the Bubbles and Bubbles Sesame Street. I thought this is so cute. Just, you know, simple, very easy reading for him because he'll get distracted real fast. And then I got my daughter the Frozen 2 book. I thought this was so cute because she loves Frozen. Anything Frozen she absolutely loves. And then I went ahead and picked up some more of these wet wipes. Of course, disinfecting wipes, we need them. Now they're all over the place, so go ahead to Dollar Tree and pick them up because they are there. And then I went ahead and picked up another frame because I have a picture of all of us together, family picture, and I wanted to go ahead and put it in this frame right here, especially for downstairs because it goes with my theme that I have going on. And then I went ahead and picked up some toothpaste. I picked up this one for my daughter, the Colgate cavity protection for her teeth because she got cavities and she needs the protection. And then I went ahead and picked this up, and the reason why I picked it up was because I saw some girl on TikTok talk about that this is so good and it's been helping her whiten her teeth. And I do drink coffee, so I want to keep my teeth white. So she said it was really good, so I want to go ahead and try this out for myself, see how it works. I'm definitely going to be using this more at night and not during the day, especially in the morning because I drink coffee in the morning, so that's not gonna work. So I definitely want to try it at night before I go to bed. And then another thing that I found and I saw raving all over TikTok was this right here that Walmart sells it for $9 and you can find it at the Dollar Tree for $1. And this is a very good brand. This is actually, because they have different bottles, this is the Texture Spray Protective Spray. Now, since I do curl my hair, I wanted to give this a try just to give my hair a little bit more of a texture. So I wanted to try it out and see. But look at that, like it makes my hair get some texture because I don't like my hair flat, so I love to add, you know, more volume. I thought this is so cute for that. So if you find one, go ahead and pick it up because it's a win-win, because you can get it for $1 at the Dollar Tree instead of spending $10 at Walmart. I think that is an awesome deal right there. And then another thing I picked up was just a cooking, what are they called? They're like, no. And the next thing I picked up was this right here for the kitchen. I love to change these up because they always get dirty, they always get messed up, and they always look like washed out. So I love to pick up new ones, and the Dollar Tree always has some cute ones. Never spend too much money on the kitchen towels, because you can find them at Dollar Tree for $1. They last you a while, a few months, and then you have to get rid of them. But they change them up every season. They have a brand new towel, so why not change them up? Like, why not? So the last two things are these right here. This one is from Hard Candy. This is a highlighter, and it's in the shade Rose Gold. When I saw this, I was like, oh my god, this is so pretty. Like, I have to get it. So I went ahead and picked it up. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up with you guys and show you, like, how pretty is this. Like, Hard Candy has some good stuff, and to find them at the dollar store is a win-win for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. This is a pretty highlight. Oh yeah, this is a beautiful. Like, look at how pretty. My camera is gonna not pick it up because of the lighting of the ring light, but I think this is so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and put, oh, I'm not flicking you guys off, but I'm gonna put it on my nose so you guys can see. I already have highlight, but why not just add some more? This is beautiful, guys. Go ahead and pick it up. It's only $1. You need it in your life. I also forgot to mention that I went ahead and picked up this Ioni lash glue. Now, I do not use a lash glue because I do lash extensions on my eyes. I do it myself, so I don't use lash glue specifically, but I went ahead and picked it up because I want to use it when I do jewels on my face. I wanted to use this, and instead of the dual one that I have, because the dual one I have I don't like. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that one out. It's only $1. Why not try it out? And then the last thing that I did pick up was this John Frieda Wonder Drops hair mask. Now this is a frizz smoothing mask. Now I live in Florida. My hair gets very frizzy from the humidity. Now lately it hasn't been hot, it's been very cool, and I love that because it doesn't make my hair frizzy when it's nice and cool. But when it's hot, it gets hot and it makes my hair very frizzy. So I wanted to try out this mask and see if it works for me. If it does, I want to go ahead and pick up some more because this is only $1. So you cannot go wrong with this, and it's a very nice brand. John Frieda for $1 hair mask. Can't go wrong. But yeah, that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. Let me know if you guys have been to Dollar Tree. What have you found? Some goodies. Let me know. I would love to know. Like I said, Dollar Trees are different in every store. Like, you'll find different things in every place that you go to, so make sure you check out different Dollar Trees because they're always different, like I said. So definitely check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, my loves.